In this video, I'll show you how to fix a ChatGPT card declined error. If you tried to pay for ChatGPT and your card was declined, don't worry, because this usually happens for a small number of common reasons. According to OpenAI's billing help, the most common causes include incorrect card details, billing address mismatches, bank blocks, unsupported regions, or needing to try a different payment method. OpenAI also notes that they often cannot see the exact reason from the bank side, so a few quick checks can save a lot of time. The first thing to do is double-check all your payment details. Make sure the card number, expiration date, CVC, and billing address are entered correctly. Even a small mistake like the wrong zip code or an old billing address can cause the payment to fail. OpenAI specifically recommends reviewing those details before trying again. Next, make sure your card has enough available balance and that your bank is not blocking the transaction. OpenAI says some banks block certain online, recurring, or international purchases by default. So if everything looks correct but the payment still fails, contact your bank or card provider and ask whether they blocked the transaction. That is often the fastest way to find the real reason for the decline. Another important step is to confirm that your country or region is supported and that your card issuer is also in a supported region. OpenAI says payments can be declined if either you or your card issuer is outside supported countries and regions. So if you are traveling, using a foreign card, or recently changed locations, this is something worth checking. If the payment still does not go through, try a different payment method. OpenAI includes this as one of its main troubleshooting steps. In many cases, a second card works right away, especially if the first one has bank restrictions or does not support the type of transaction being made. You should also refresh the payment page properly before trying again. OpenAI recommends clearing your browser cache and cookies, then retrying the transaction. This can help if the payment form is stuck on old session data or if there was a temporary browser issue during checkout. If you already have a ChatGPT subscription and just need to replace the card, OpenAI says you can go into ChatGPT settings, open the payment or billing area, and manage your payment method there. One more thing to remember is that ChatGPT billing can depend on where you subscribed. OpenAI says subscriptions purchased through the web are managed differently from those purchased through the iOS App Store or Google Play. So if you subscribed on mobile, your payment method may need to be updated through Apple or Google instead of directly inside ChatGPT. So, to fix a ChatGPT card declined error, check your card details, confirm your billing address, make sure your bank is not blocking the payment, verify your country and card region are supported, clear your browser cache, and try another payment method if needed. If you are updating an existing subscription, go to your billing settings and update the payment method there. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.